Now, I wasn't really planning on showing this because these sheets aren't ready yet. They'll be ready by the end of the week. So it's the 13th of August, 2025. But because I was using the 4.5, the Parallel Pen 4.5 to build our Textualis Quadrata worksheets, I wanted to show you how the inks work on the worksheets because of accuracy in writing. So now, here's the worksheet, one of the pages. And so this is, I use, these are my geometric letters because I teach people using geometry first, and then we get onto the round letters. These letters are basically based on most of the letters you find in the Gutenberg, in the letters used by Gutenberg for the printing of the Gutenberg Bible. Now, obviously you ghost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how you do it. Then you can practice on here. Now this is at 40%. So how I do it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Right, excellent. Now, let's look at it. So, that's right over the printed form, and it's not bled. It stayed where I put it. I'm very happy about. Now, as we're here, we might as well test the other inks. So I've not tested this. This is a test for me as well. I don't know if this will work. Now, this is not a 4.5. So this is the pointed ink, and it's bled a little bit, not as much as other inks would, but it's bled a little bit. So, you know, suffice to say, I would suggest using the black edged ink for this kind of practice, and let's see what will happen with Sepia. 1, 2. Well, that's a lot better than I thought it would go. That's pretty impressive. Wow. Wow. Very, very excited about how this has turned out. I'm excited about these worksheets because there's a Textualis Quadrata course coming up. And I also wanted to produce these worksheets, but I was quite worried because, you know, the problem with worksheets is you print worksheets onto copy paper and you try to write over them and they bleed. And so it doesn't really show you what you are doing. It doesn't show you what you're actually achieving. You get a general sense of your accomplishment, but you don't see exactly what you've done because most inks will bleed on copy paper, and they will bleed even further when you are writing on top of inkjet printer ink on copy paper. That's ATGSM. So seeing the broad-edged ink work this densely and solidly and not bleed and produce hairlines, I'm really, really, really happy with it. I will do some more demonstrations using the worksheets once they're ready. But I'm sort of grinning like a Cheshire cat because I'm so excited that this has worked, because it will make studying with worksheets as well as working on copy paper a lot more accessible for lots of people.